What happens when infectious agents enter your body? Naturally, they make you feel unwell. But we can prevent them from entering your body, right? Can we? Now, that's quite impossible because these agents are very tiny and they cannot be spotted. In addition to this, they can be anywhere. In the food we eat, the water we drink, and also the very air we breathe. Now you know why we can't stop them from entering our body. How do these agents actually move from an infected person's body to a non-infected person's body? Let us look at this man. He has been coughing without covering his mouth. He suffers from common cold and cough and is infected. When he coughs or sneezes, the tiny droplets of his saliva are thrown into the air and they contain the disease-causing germs. Another healthy person happens to pass by and he breathes in the very same air. Wait a minute. What just happened here? The air which contained the infectious agents has been inhaled by this healthy man. He will now suffer from cold and cough as well. How did this transmission take place? Where were the microbes thrown out into? Into the air, that's correct, and we call such diseases as airborne diseases. Another case would be where a man is drinking water which has harmful pathogens. As they are not visible to the naked eye, he drinks his water without boiling it. What do you think happened? That is quite obvious, isn't it? The microbes entered the man's body through the water he drank. He will fall ill and will need medication. And diseases transmitted through water are called, no prizes for guessing, waterborne diseases. There is another possibility of transmission that transmits the infection from a sick person to a healthy person. Can you guess which one it is? Through vectors. Vectors are living organisms that can transmit infectious diseases between humans or from animals to humans. Mosquitoes are the most common vectors we know of. Their bite can cause infections as the germs are now transferred to a healthy individual. They are vector-borne diseases. They account for more than 15% of all infectious diseases, causing more than 1 million deaths annually. There is yet another mode of disease transmission. Sexual contact can also spread many diseases. A healthy individual having sexual contact with an infected individual can get infected as well. Diseases transmitted in such a manner are called as sexually transmitted diseases. You must have heard about the AIDS virus. This disease is primarily transmitted by sexual contact. However, blood transfusion and mother-to-child transfer during pregnancy can also be the cause of contracting this disease. But no matter which type of disease it is, there is some form of contact. Transmission of a disease can happen through direct contact and indirect contact. Airborne, waterborne, and vector-borne diseases are examples of which type? Are the two infected individuals in direct contact with each other? No, these are examples of indirect contact. And it's obvious that sexually transmitted diseases are examples of direct contact. Which one do you think is easier to prevent? Yes, we can prevent diseases caused by direct contact, but not those spread by indirect contact. In our next video, we will see how our body warns us about an attack of microbes.